In this video, I'll show you how to add a new user to your account on our SmartTraxx platform. To get started, click your name in the top right corner, then select Account Settings. From there, click New User. You'll enter their name and email address, then choose their role. If you want them to have full access, select Dealer Admin-NR. If you'd like to keep things more limited, go with View and Locate Only. And if neither of those feels quite right, just reach out to us. We're happy to help you find the best customized role for your needs. The rest of the fields you can leave as is. You do have the option to pre-select their time zone or subscribe them to any reports, but that's totally up to you. When you're ready, click Create, and they'll receive an email from Mike at gpsandtrack.us with a link to finish setting up their username and password. That's all there is to it. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.